In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on comments in your HubSpot blog. It's a feature that can really enhance interaction and engagement with your audience. So let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can do this by logging into your HubSpot account and selecting the user guide option from the dashboard. This is your central hub for accessing various settings and features within HubSpot, and it's the first step we need to take to activate the comments on your blog. You'll find the user guide pretty accessible, and it's designed to help guide you through whatever task you're aiming to accomplish. Once you're in the user guide, the next thing you want to do is click on the Settings tab. You'll usually find this in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This section is where you can customize various aspects of your HubSpot portal according to your unique preferences and requirements. In Settings, you'll have access to a range of options, allowing you to tweak how your blog operates and how you interact with your audience. Now, after you're in the settings, what you're looking for is the blog option. Go ahead and click on Blog. This takes you to the blog management section, which is essentially where you can handle anything blog related, from creating new posts to managing how your readers can interact with your content. Once you're inside the blog management area, direct your attention to the Comments section. You'll see various options here that pertain to managing comments on your blog. What you need to do next is click on Comments. This will bring up the settings specific to managing and configuring comments on your blog posts. Now, this is the crucial part. You'll notice an option that says Turn on Commenting. Simply click on it. By doing this, you're enabling comments to be visible and active on your blog posts, allowing your audience to leave comments, ask questions, and interact with your content more freely. It's a straightforward but pivotal step in increasing reader engagement and creating a more interactive space on your blog. Just like that, we've successfully turned on commenting for your blog. It may seem like a simple change, but it can really transform the dynamics of interaction for your blog readers and can lead to many useful conversations and insights. Thank you for watching this quick guide on enabling blog comments in HubSpot, and I hope it helps you enhance your blog's engagement and community interaction. If you have any further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to check out the HubSpot user guide or reach out to their support for more detailed assistance.